What if you could turn your love for plants into a profitable business, even with zero experience? Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start your own plant nursery from scratch. No fancy equipment, no huge budget, just smart strategies that work. Let's dig in. First, pick a profitable niche. You don't need to grow everything. Focus on what sells in your area, like houseplants, monstera, pothos, always in demand. Edibles, herbs, veggie starters for gardeners. Specialty plants, rare succulents, orchids, higher profit. Pro tip: check local Facebook gardening groups or farmers markets to see what's trending. You don't need acres of land. Start with a sunny backyard, balcony, or even a garage. Low-cost supplies, reuse old pots, DIY grow lights, propagation, grow free plants from cuttings or seeds. I began with just 20 plants. Now I sell hundreds a month. Keep it legal without overcomplicating things. First, you'll need a business license. Check your local requirements. Often it's less than $100. Next, if you're selling retail, you'll need a sales tax permit. And don't forget about home-based rules. Some cities restrict backyard sales. Most nurseries start as a sole proprietorship because it's easy and cheap. Skip buying expensive plants and multiply what you already have. Try taking cuttings, snip from friends' plants or your own. Save seeds by collecting them from spent flowers. And don't forget about plant swaps. Trade with other plant lovers. My first 100 plants cost me $0, just patience. Don't wait for perfect plants, sell early. Start with farmers markets, they're low risk and high visibility. Use Facebook or Instagram to post pictures and take pre-orders. And consider platforms like Etsy or eBay to ship small plants like succulents. Even $5 sales add up, just get started. Now you know how to start a plant nursery with no experience. Which step excites you most? Comment below. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. I'll show you how to scale to $10,000 a month in my next video. Happy growing!